So we have completed that chapter, finite and non-finite, class 7th. Now we will start with the reading comprehension, chapter 28, page number 161. Open. You will read with me this passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. So we will read it together. You will read it at your home and I am reading it here. So start reading. Jacob the Great. Jacob hated finishing things almost as much as he loved starting them. As a result, he had gotten into a million hobbies and activities, but he never stuck with any of them long enough to get any good. He begged his mother for months for a guitar so that he could play Black Eyed Peas songs to Angie. But after he finally got one for the Christmas, he found out that the guitars don't play themselves. He took a few lessons, but strumming the strings hurt his fingers and he didn't like holding the pick. So now the $500 guitar lives under his bed. After reading an ad in the back of one of his comic books, Jacob decided that he wanted a Wonder Sweeper 5000 metal detector so that he could find buried pirate treasure. So he mowed lawns all the summer and didn't spend his money on ice cream like his younger brother, Alex. He saved it all in a shoebox in his closet. Then he shoveled driveways all winter and he didn't spend his money on candy and chips like his classmates. By the time spring came, he had saved $200 and he purchased the Wonder Sweeper 5000 metal detector. He beeped it around the park for a while, but he soon found that no pirates had ever set sail in his neighborhood. And if they had, they didn't leave any treasure. Even though he found a keyring, 47 cents, and all the bottle caps he could throw, he buried the metal detector in his closet. Given Jacob's history with hobbies, it was no surprise that Jacob's father was reluctant to buy him a magician kit for his birthday. Geez, Jacob, you sure you wouldn't rather I got you more guitar lessons? He suggested. Jacob was insistent. Dad, you have got to get me the magician kit. This time I'll stick with it for real. I promise. Come on, Dad, Jacob begged. Jacob's father sighed and then replied, Oh, I don't know, Jacob. Things are awfully tight right now. But Jacob's father was reminded of his own youth long ago, when he quit football and started karate practice before hardly getting his equipment dirty. So when the Jacob's birthday came around, Jacob was both surprised and pleased to find the magician kit that he had desired so badly with a big bright bow on it. Turn the page. Jacob opened up the box and unwrapped the many parts in the kit. As he did so, he imagined sawing his pet calf in half and putting it back together to the amazement of his friends and family. He took the many fake coins, trick cards, rope pieces of varying length on the kitchen table and imagined pulling rabbits out of his hat and turning them into pigeons with a mysterious puff of smoke. As Jacob continued pulling plastic thumbs, foam balls, and giant playing cards out of the magic kit, a commercial on the TV caught his attention. Hey kids, have you ever wanted to go to space? Experience what it's like to be an astronaut. Do you want to explore the universe? Well, now you can. As the commercial continued playing, Jacob walked away from the magic kit on the kitchen table and stared at the TV screen longingly. For only $195, you can go to space camp and live life like an astronaut for a whole weekend. Enroll now for once-in-a-lifetime experience. Jacob's cry rang throughout the house as he yelled, Mom! He now knew what his new purpose in life was. So, we have read this passage. What do you understand from this passage? कितना समझ आया आपको? Here we are talking about a boy named Jacob. ठीक है? And he hated finishing things almost as much as he loved starting them. तो क्या उसको प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. मीन्स उसकी क्या आदत क्या थी? वॉट वॉज हिज हैबिट? ही हेटेड फिनिशिंग थिंग्स almost as much as he loved starting them. He loved to start the new things and he will keep them unfinished. He will hate finishing them. So he will just crave for new thing. He will have a passion for that, and after few days he will go to some another thing and leave that thing unfinished. As a result, he had gotten into million hobbies and activities. तो as a result क्या हुआ? He has gotten into million hobbies and activities, but he never stuck with any of them. He tried so many hobbies for so many times, but he had not stuck to them for a long time to get any good. Means he tried many hobbies. एक को छोड़ा दूसरे को पकड़ लिया. नहीं, अब मुझे ये चाहिए, अब मैं ये हॉबी करूँगा. उसके लिए उसने sometimes he had means collected money also to buy that thing to fulfill his hobby, and after few days his passion for that hobby will be finished and he will now and some other thing will attract him. So these were the things he kept on doing throughout his life. First of all, he begged his mother for a guitar, ठीक है, so he could play this song. But when he got one on the Christmas and he found out that for playing guitar he had to learn lessons also, and he took some lesson and he found that it hurt his fingers. Means जब हम उनको स्ट्रमिंग करते हैं ना बच्चे गिटार की उस पे स्ट्रिंग्स पे, तो यहाँ पे बहुत गहरे स्कार्स पड़ जाते हैं इन दोनों फिंगर्स पे, क्योंकि आपको वो स्ट्रिंग्स पे ऐसे ऐसे करना पड़ता है ताल देने के लिए, रिदम देने के लिए. So after few days he came to know that his fingers are hurting from that strings. So what he did, अब उसने वो जो इतनी महंगी जो गिटार ली थी कहाँ रख दी? Under his bed. Then he read a ad in one of his comic book and he decided he wanted to be a wonder sweeper. Metal detector लेना है उसने ये वाला. Then what he did, so that he could find buried pirate treasure. तो he wanted to buy this so that he can find out some treasure. Pirate treasure means pirates होते हैं बच्चे जो हमारे सीज पे जो होते हैं ना डेकॉइट्स, उनको हम पायरेट्स कहते हैं. मीन्स जो समुद्री, हिंदी में बोलें तो समुद्री डाकू जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड द पायरेट्स. ठीक है. सो ही वांटेड टू फाइंड द बरिड pirate treasure and for that he wanted this metal detector wonder sweeper. For that he collected money, right, and at last he means purchased that wonder sweeper. He beeped it around but he could not found any treasure. उसने पूरे पार्क में उसको डिटेक्ट किया कि कहीं पे मुझे कोई ट्रेजर मिल जाए, but he couldn't find it. So and what he got, he found a key ring. उसको की रिंग मिला, क्योंकि मेटल डिटेक्टर था तो कुछ भी मेटल का अगर होगा तो वो मेटल डिटेक्ट कर लेगा. तो व्हाट ही फाउंड अ की रिंग और 47 सेंट्स मिले उसे, और ऑल द बॉटल कैप्स ही कुड थ्रो. और जो हमारे सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स नहीं होते हैं उनके ऊपर कैप्स होते हैं मेटल के. सो when we open that bottles we throw those caps. So what he thinks he get, key ring, 47 cents and a bottle cap. So after trying his hand on this metal detector, he also buried that detector into his closet, means into his almirah. So after that Jacob's father, he wanted that he should buy some magician kit for his birthday. He just said once. So after that Jacob got interested in magician kit. He wanted that kit at any cost. So he pleaded his father, so please get me a magician kit for his birthday. And at last he got this on his birthday. वो भी ले दी उसके father ने magician kit. Then what happened? So for a few days he practiced that. He opened the boxes and whatever the magicians used to do, na, wrapped the many parts in the kits, and he used to saw his pet cat in half. जैसे magicians नहीं दिखाते हैं stage पे कि they saw means here, sawing means cutting. They show on the stage that they saw the living being. They call for some human being from the audience, and they just put them on the table and they just saw them in between and make them of two parts. So like that, he also saw his pet cat in half and putting it back together. And he was doing all the tricks what the magicians do for few days. He was interested in that magician kit. Till one day when he heard an ad that if he ever wanted to go to space, and after hearing that ad, now he wanted to be an astronaut. So this magician kit, the attraction for the magician kit was over now, and now he wanted, his next hobby was, now he wanted to be an astronaut and go into the space. So this is the comprehension. So go through it once, twice. I have explained you the summary of this comprehension. So try to solve these question answers. According to the text, why does Jacob stop playing the guitar? He hurt his fingers, he rather played drums, or he failed maths, or it was too easy. Which option do you think is the most appropriate? I think it hurt his fingers, so that's why he stopped playing the guitar. To whom did Jacob want to play Black Eyed Peas songs? किसको वो सुनाना चाहता था? Here it is written. You have to read it very carefully. To NG. लिखा है ना यहाँ पे. So you have to read the comprehension very carefully because it will be the first part in your reading section in your exam. So do practice of reading comprehension. To NG. Why doesn't Jacob's father want to get him the magician kit for his birthday? Why doesn't? क्यों नहीं उसका father उसको लेके देना चाहता था? Now try to find out here. Yes, now we'll read the Jacob failed math class. Jacob went to park without. Jacob quits too many expensive activities. Jacob has been mean to his younger brother. No, because he quits too many expensive activities. क्योंकि उसने उससे पहले he has quit about playing guitar also and a very expensive wonder sweeper also. So all these expensive activities he has given up. So that's why father does not want him to get him a magician kit. Which happened first in the text? Jacob asked his dad for the magician kit. Jacob got a guitar. Jacob shoveled driveways. So which happened first? I think So which happened first in the text? He got a guitar. First तो यही हुआ था. Which happened last in the text? Chekhov was influenced by a TV commercial. Here. Last में उसने यही देखा था ना, तो सबसे last में Jacob was influenced. So now this part, which word is closer in meaning to the italicized words in the following sentences? It was no surprise that Jacob's father was reluctant. Now we have to find the word closing, very close to this word, to buy him a magician kit. Check the meaning of this word in the dictionary and do the B and C and D part yourself. Okay, so this is your homework. You will do this yourself. And I'm going to ask you on Monday the answers. Okay, so you will After solving this, you can send me on the personal number. So this is today's work. Today is 7th. So you will solve it B, C and D part yourself. Okay. So complete your work, read the passage carefully and solve this.